How to see old stories on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see old stories on Instagram. To view your old Instagram stories, you can access them through the archive feature. For that, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to go to your profile page. And once you reach your profile page, here at the top right, you will be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those bars and here you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, here under how you use Instagram section, you will be able to see the archive option. Tap on this archive from the menu and then here you will be able to see your archived stories. You can scroll through them to find the one you are looking for. You can scroll through your archived stories which will be displayed in reverse chronological order. And you can tap on any of the story to view it in a full screen. You may also filter stories by date or location if you want to find the specific memories for the certain time or place. To filter stories by date, you will need to tap on this calendar icon from the top and here you will be able to see the dates that you have posted the specific story. If you have added the story as per your location, you may also tap on this location icon at the right side to find the one based on your location. Also, by tapping on this story archive option at the top, at the bottom you'll be able to see various options like post archive, live archive and story archive. So by following these steps, you should be able to revisit or see your old Instagram stories whenever you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.